Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable the power button on the login screen in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand policies. Click System. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type shutdown without logon. Change value data 0. OK and exit registry editor. Start your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.